The yield curve has predicted almost every US recession in the past 50 years, and TradingView has a dedicated yield curve tool that shows it instantly. Here is how to use it. If you want to go to the yield curve tool, open up a normal chart, go to the products menu on the bottom right. It's right here. It's a circle with multiple squares on it, and there will be an option to click the yield curve on it. Then you'll pop up on the page I'm currently on. What you're looking at, the horizontal axis shows maturity from 1-month bills on the left all the way out to 30-year-old bonds on the right. The vertical axis shows yield. The blue line connecting them is the curve. But you can notice we not only have a blue line, we have a green and a yellow one because we have multiple different bonds. A normal curve will slope upward. Longer maturities pay more. A flat curve means short and long rates are similar. An inverted curve, the most important shape, slopes downward, meaning short-term debt pays more than long-term. That's the recession signal. At the top of the panel, right here, you can see that there are multiple options for you to pick from. First, we have the country, then we have the date. If you want to switch from the default, say the Japan bonds, all you have to do is type in Japan and you can click on it. There we have it. The key feature though is the historical comparison. Click the date selector and add a comparison date. We have a relative scale or a specific time. Let's go a month ago. A second curve overlays in a different color. You can see how the curve has shifted over time, steepening, flattening, or inverting. The most powerful use is comparing today's curve to the curve from 6 months before the last recession. If they look similar, that is something worth paying attention to. Make sure you check this page very often because it's a great macro signal that you're finding for completely free. Have a great day, guys.